Wow. No ways. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Oh
Yes.
my God. This is,
Yes.
it is super. Hi guys, it's your girl Zari, aka the Boss Lady. I'm super excited about my upcoming trip to Nairobi, Kenya. Looking forward to revealing a mega mansion designed none other than Fine Urban Construction and Interiors. These guys are doing an amazing work.
Hi guys, welcome. This is Mwanesi Musalia, curator of Fine Places and Spaces, and right now we are on the expressway in Nairobi with none other than the Boss Lady.
Hello.
Zari.
Thank you so much.
Zari, thank you so much for joining us today.
Pleasure is all mine.
I mean, you must be exhausted.
Very, but I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
Absolutely. We've just left the airport. We're heading now to the hotel. We're on the expressway here in Nairobi. We're looking forward to an excellent afternoon with lots of events. Hopefully, we're going to be seeing a couple of projects by none other than Fine Urban Construction and Interiors.
Definitely.
And Zari, I want you to have a look at Nairobi. You were just asking
Look at
me
this
just
skyline.
look at it, right?
It looks like you're mini New York.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it does. It looks beautiful. I love it from here.
I know most people when they see Nairobi, especially guys who haven't been here for a long time, guys who were there before
I'm
COVID.
shocked.
Yep. You look at the amount of development from Upper Hill, Westlands, the CBD. I mean, this is just a glimpse of what you can expect.
Wow.
You know,
I
and
love it. It looks so good.
It looks good, and
Yeah, it's got that work feeling from here.
isn't it?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
got that Josie feeling.
And we were just talking that whatever it is that you get in most of the major cities in the world, you can now get here in Nairobi. Guys, we're about to receive Zari because now it's time for us to head to one of our projects in Namanga, and hopefully it's going to be a really, really good experience for Zari.
Yeah.
Zari?
Oh,
Good to see you. Rested?
yeah.
Excellent. So I think we can proceed to the airport and
sure.
check out one of our projects in Namanga.
Great.
Yeah?
Great idea.
Fantastic. So there's going to be an assessment of our Namanga project. This is a client from the diaspora who made a personal request to customize their house. They had already built the house and now they wanted Fine Urban Construction and Interiors to come in from scratch. So Zari, this is going to be an example of what Fine Urban can do.
Yeah.
And why it's so important to involve your interior designer and construction team from the beginning.
Yeah, true.
You don't want to spend all that money and then
Somebody has to break something.
exactly.
Yeah.
And also just to showcase how far Fine Urban and Interiors can go. I mean, we're not just East Africa, we want to be in Africa.
Yeah.
So if we're able to do that, I know it's going to be on the border of Tanzania, but let's see, maybe we can cross over to
Uganda as well. Definitely. Why not if not? I mean, yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to check it out. I want us to show Zari what we can do as Fine Urban Construction and Interiors. And yeah, stay tuned, guys, as we maneuver through the Nairobi traffic. I'm hoping that we make it on time. If not, we might have a surprise for you guys in a short while. See you. Guys, we've just landed here in Namanga with none other than Zari, the Boss Lady. Zari,
Yep.
what a trip.
What a trip. Amazing, beautiful views.
Amazing, right?
Yeah.
Flying over the Nairobi National Park.
Yes.
The only national park, by the way, that's actually located in a city in the whole world. Beautiful stuff.
So amazing.
The helicopter, our amazing captain managed to land us.
Amazing ride,
I mean, we were not
safely.
sure about where exactly we were going to land, but
I told you the trees.
yeah,
Yeah.
Captain Denge, no one but him. He knows what to do.
Yeah.
So now we are here. We're gonna start heading over to the house. I think we managed to catch some views from above, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We did.
What do you think about the house?
Amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah, modern contemporary.
Absolutely.
You can actually see it from the top. I was like, wow, this is out of town.
Out of town.
Still
Can you
beautiful
imagine?
house.
All the way here in Namanga in the middle of nowhere. I mean, it's one of those
I
things
can't
that
wait to see the house. Let's
yeah,
go.
let's roll. Let's
Yeah,
roll.
let's go.
All right. So welcome. What do you think?
Amazing.
Right.
Super amazing. I love it.
Can you believe this is Namanga,
I love it.
all the way out from Nairobi?
Out of town.
Out of town.
Right in the middle of the village.
Tell me about it. What?
Somewhere in the middle of Namanga.
All right, so Zari, I'm going to leave you in the capable hands of Cynthia. All right, she's the expert at everything fine urban construction and interiors. I will see you later.
Thank you so much. You're so amazing. Love you too.
Welcome.
Wow. Look at the floors. Look at the floors. Oh my God.
I know you.
Look at the lighting. I'm already, ow.
Yeah.
I love lights. You should see my South African homes. They have lights and chandeliers and, oh my God.
This is the perfect property for you to get to walk
Perfect.
through.
Look at this. Is this like a living room?
This is the living room.
I love the lights. I love the finishes, the walls. I love the marble look over here. No ways. No, you didn't put this here?
Yes, we did.
Oh my God.
This is a fine urban construction and interiors touch that we
Guys, you have no idea what fine urban construction and interiors are doing this. This is literally marble. Look at this. Look at this. I could literally have a huge screen here.
Yeah.
Sit there, watch some soapies, or watch myself on Netflix.
Did you go for a
Oh
white
my
kitchen?
goodness, look at the finishes. Fine urban construction really outdid themselves.
Oh, every single time. This is just like a touch of the luxury that we
I love the lighting at the bottom, at the top, the chandeliers, the view from here, the kitchen, just that.
So you would compare it to a house in Cape Town?
Yeah, this is definitely modern contemporary. I love it.
Yeah. Every single thing in this house.
And guess what?
handpicked. Yeah.
It's in the middle of a village, guys.
Can you
in the middle of a
imagine?
village. This is definitely Tifa. You can see the pink walls.
Oh, Tifa.
Yeah, the girl, my little girl, yeah.
Yeah, it kind of matches with your top, kind of.
Yeah.
A little bit.
This is nice. I love the colors. I love how you chose. I love white. Most of my houses, they've got this white thing.
Yeah.
And again, it's the views, guys. It looks like Cape Town. Let me show you. But
Stunning.
take a look at this.
It is one of the designs of this entire house. I think at the end I'll ask you your favorite thing. In the entire house, that's my favorite design of the gypsum.
Yeah, definitely. This is not even in the dining or the kitchen.
No, something similar, but this one is the biggest kind of spherical design that we have in this
Guys,
house. Stunning.
y'all
well
need
done.
to get in touch with fine urban construction and interiors. Whether you're renovating, whether it's building a new home, they are the people to call, trust me.
I mean, can you imagine? We're able to do houses like these in places like Namanga.
Oh my
and we have so many
goodness.
other projects. I hope you get to see them in different areas of Kenya. We're really not afraid to go
Ooh,
anywhere.
again, it's the lights and
It
the walls.
captures you immediately when you
And
walk
let me
in.
tell you something, what I've realized with each room, it's got its own personality.
Each it has its own character.
Yeah,
and
like
that's the pro.
there's a gray, there's
Yeah.
a pink, it's a dusty pink, there's this. You know, then you don't have to feel the same thing all over
Yeah,
again.
that's that luxury of customization.
Yeah.
I'm sure you enjoy customized things.
I love it. So this is one of the bathrooms, right?
This is the master bathroom. You talked about white. I think this is a bit of a white
Customized, clothes are
Everything.
safe in there, everything
Yeah.
is just packed together.
Yeah.
The mirror. I'm a mirror person. I could see myself all the time. So literally just stand there.
Yeah. This
Wow.
is ultra convenient because you get to see your
Again,
items. Easy to just
it's a
pick out.
different character. It's a different personality.
You had gone with the traditional wardrobe, but fine urban construction interiors. We think of those
Easy.
new
Just
ideas.
slide, get your clothes, slide, and you clearly see everything.
Everything is out on display.
I'm always like, where's this? Where's that? Auntie, where's this? But this is like, oh, there's my shoes. Oh, there's my bags. Oh, okay.
Exactly.
I love
This
it.
Space is well thought out. We have the white
The
tile.
floors,
The big white tile.
finishing. Wow, so this is supposed to be the backyard?
Yes.
So huge and beautiful and modern.
Yes. The balance of the grass.
I can see that.
Yeah.
And the pool. Hi, it's your girl Zari, aka the Boss Lady. I'm in Kenya right now. Please subscribe and follow Fine Urban Construction and Interiors on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Not forgetting YouTube. For yourself, go see the most amazing finishes in East Africa.